And welcome back to Psycho Clown World.
And here we go.
Once again, I have to show everybody. I've known about this for a while, and finally somebody brought it to my attention that they noticed it. I'm like, oh, I've been wondering when someone was going to mention this. Folks, we live in a Star Wars / Star Trek reality, and you need to wake up. This right here is an Imperial shuttle. Okay? This is the Emperor's shuttle when it's flying. Okay? When it's in space flying. This is what it looks like when the wings are up, right? Ain't it kind of funny how it looks exactly like the Ukrainian coat of arms? Ukraine, coat of arms. Here you go. Looks just like this. Are y'all getting it yet? I certainly hope so. We're not alone. People need to wake up. I mean, even if you look at the design of it, when this goes to fold down, you can see how this would, and it would be up against the side. I mean, it's right here, folks. We need to, well, not we, but y'all. But as a species, we need to wake up. And that brings us to here. These are Borg cubes. Now, granted, we're listening to Star Wars music, but whatever. This is a Borg cube. Why am I showing us Borg cubes? Well, because they're real. This is the part of Star Trek. I've said Star Wars and Star Trek is part of our reality. Okay, here's another Borg cube. This is the light-bending technology that they have. Okay, for those of us who are not familiar with this, we have this technology today. So here's another one here. In fact, you can see, look at what he's doing here. He's just screwing it all up. They bend light. We have this. We can go to the store. You can literally go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get the majority of the parts necessary for. Sorry, he's right here. Necessary to make your own stuff. To have a cloaking device, light bending. Here he is, right here. Yes, and I'm dead serious. I'm very serious. You can absolutely do this. And I will show you here in a moment. So here's another Borg cube. You can see where it's bending the light. They can't. That's the thing. They cannot hide the edges. Now, this is an advanced race. I mean, they can project it. Okay, here's where the cube is, and he's projecting it. Okay, it's something that they can do. They have this technology. We're talking about beings that are millions of years old. If we can do it now and cover ourselves. Okay, here's our Borg cube right here. Little guy right here. Right up next to the sun. So if we can do that now, go to Home Depot and get the stuff to do it for ourselves. Here's our Borg cube right over here. Then think about a species that's millions of years old. Yeah, they can project it. They can hiding in plain sight. Like, literally. Oh, here he is here, and the other guy is right up here. So, let me show you what I mean. You can go over here into YouTube, right in the search engine, light bending camouflage, and look at testing a real invisibility shield. That's right. That's him behind it. Now, notice the edges. They can't hide the edges. Okay? Here's another one. There's a blanket. Look at it. This is real stuff. No joke, folks. We've had this technology. You can literally get the stuff and you can make it yourself. See how you can't hide the edges? You can't hide the edges. You can still kind of see them. So the edges are always able to be seen. So, with that being said, I mean, now please, by all means, research this. Figure out how to make one. Go make one if you want to. In fact, go make one, make a little video of you behind it, whatever, and send it to me, and I'll use it to show people. But, I mean, either way, you can do it. Everybody can. And that's the thing. You guys remember the movie The Predator? With the light bending? Yeah, same stuff. Really happening. Real stuff, folks. Real stuff. It's insane, but it's real. Now, why do I say that? Well, let me show you something. Here, we are over here at Gina Maria Colvin Hill. I am a follower of hers. I don't know if she follows me or not, but she does have some really good content. Some things her and I don't exactly agree eye to eye on, but hey, you know what? I still love her anyways, because love is the only way forward. And that's what's important, is that we can agree to disagree on something and still love each other as individuals. And she's a wonderful person. She's got a very great, very sweet and humble personality. But we're going to watch something here, folks. It's only 3 minutes and 12 seconds. And I'm going to, this is all her video, 100%. I absolutely suggested that people come and subscribe to her channel and like some of her videos, help her out. I mean, I enjoy the help, and the likes and subscribes so we can get the information out. So, but let's give this a listen. See, right here, she actually has a board cube. Right here, and it's quite large. And this is the moon behind her. See, she actually got a picture of a board cube coming between the planet and the moon, and it's actually pretty damn close. And so she's like, why is this square here? And some people are saying, oh, it's an LED diode, it's part of the camera. No, it's a board cube, and he's cloaked so you can see the moon behind him. So let's just go ahead and give this a watch.
We are looking at the moon in Buenos Aires in the edge detect mode. You may say, Gina, that doesn't look like the moon. Well, yes, it does look like the moon. Once you see what the moon looked like in that sky at night, okay, because why would the moon have a square around it? Why? Even with the edge detect, why would there be a square around the moon?
Now, she's not aware of the board cubes.
It's so clear,
folks.
And it really makes one think.
Which is why she's
really makes
not
start thinking,
clear what's happening
here.
here.
This is kind of Matrix-like. It really is. This is a video that I did 1 year ago today. 1 year ago today on my Facebook. And look at that. Look at the shape in there. It's like six-sided. A six-sided shape of that moon with a square around it. How, you may ask, how is that possible, Gina? Don't ask me. I don't know. I really don't.
Wait till she gets the
cool
negative out.
It really is. And it is important to
and that's where it sells it.
Document this and share it, you all. It is. So this was a live webcam.
There
That's
you
what
go.
It looked like in the inverted mode right here.
Inverted.
You can see the square was there also in the inverted mode.
I love it.
This is Buenos Aires around 10-something at night. This literally is one of the wildest captures I've ever captured of the moon. That's the normal mode in the sky. What it looked like, it really did. It looked like that in the normal mode.
You can see the edges.
And I'm not sure if I did a video on the YouTube channel showing this.
So this is Gina. She's a sweet lady. Come show her some love. Give her a subscribe to see some of her stuff. Her and I share a lot of the same content, similar content of things going on up at the sun. In fact, her and when someone told me about her, I went over to her channel and I was like, holy crap, I showed this like 3 days ago. So we do share a lot of similar items in that manner. Remember, folks, eyes open, no fear, and love is the only way forward. Have a good night.